So a lot of people do try to go through insurance for certain things, and that's great. Like we want to work with people, you know. But the reality is insurance also dictates what we're allowed to do.
Right.
And so I personally, I have stopped doing insurance a while ago because I was doing, let's say, breast reductions, and they would tell me how much weight I'd have to take off from their breasts. I'd send them in the photos, I send them in the patient's height and weight, and they say, okay, based off this, you have to take off this much weight. And if you don't, the patient pays in full cash to you because we're not going to cover it. So now I'm forced to do what a business is telling me to do. But some patients, I'm like, if I do this, you're going to end up with no breasts. Like you're literally going to have like mosquito bites. And you have big breasts now. And the patient's like, well, but I just can't afford it. And I have back pain. So I'm like, okay. And, and then I remember when I was in training in California, there's this young girl, it was, through insurance at the county hospital. We did exactly the amount the insurance told us to do. Cause I'm like, I knew it was going to be a lot of tissue. And I remember she came in at her follow-up the next day and she was crying in the mirror. Mm-hmm. She's like, they're just so small. And I'm like, I'm so sorry, like we had to. And we had told her ahead of time, but to see it, it's just, I just watched this young girl. She was just devastated, Mm. And I'm like, why do I have to do surgery that's dictated by people who have no idea what we're doing?
They're talking about.
Yeah. Right. It's like, it's like if I went to McDonald's and told them how to make a Big Mac, I have no idea how to do that. Like I have no authority over that, but they're just going to dictate what you do. It makes no sense.